In this video, we will be looking at some detailed operating functions of the induction range model 0905. To set the clock, press Settings, and then enter the current time and press Start. We recommend for the first initial use to press the bake function and set the temperature to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Any odor that may be detected during this initial use is due to the evaporation of substances used to protect the oven during storage. To set a timer, simply press Timer and enter the amount of time in minutes and hours, then press Timer to activate. This timer function does not automatically shut off the oven. To view the settings functions, press Settings. There are 7 setting functions. The first is to adjust the clock. Press Settings to go to the next option, which is the degrees in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Press 1 to switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Press Settings to go to the next option, which is the sound. Press 1 to switch from on or off. Press Settings to go to the next option, which is the calibration, to adjust the oven temperature for more accuracy. Press 1 to select the mode such as broil, bake, roast, meats, warm. Press 3 to increase or press 6 to decrease. Press Settings to go to the next option, which is the demo mode. Press 1 to toggle between on or off. In demo mode, the oven heating will not start. Press Settings to go to the next option, which is the time mode. Press 1 to switch between a 12 or 24-hour clock. Press Settings to go to the next option, which is the Sabbath mode. Press 1 to switch between on or off. When on, the range has limited functions. This chart summarizes all the settings functions. In bake mode, cooking is with heated air. Both the upper and lower elements are activated. Press Bake and press Start to accept the default settings of 2 hours. When the temperature of the furnace core is lower than 170 degrees Fahrenheit, LO is displayed. Once it rises above 170, the actual temp will be displayed. To change the temperature, press Bake, then enter the temperature and then press Start. For a rapid preheat, press the Quick Preheat. This option is only for bake, convection bake or convection roast. Once it rises above 170, the actual temp will be displayed. To use cook time, select your mode and temperature and press Start. Press Cook Time and enter the cooking time in hours and minutes, and press Start. The cook time will only start once the range reaches the set temperature. The oven will shut off automatically once the cook timer has expired. Press Timer to cancel current timer. Press Cancel to cancel and shut off the oven. In broil mode, radiant heat is used to cook the food. Press Broil and press Start to accept the default settings. To use cook time, select your mode and temperature and press Start. Press Cook Time and enter the cooking time in hours and minutes, and press Start. Press Timer to cancel current timer or press Cancel to cancel and shut off the oven. The warm mode, the bottom element is used. Warm keeps hot cooked food at serving temperatures and can only be set from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Select Warm Proof mode and press Start to accept the defaults. To change the temperature, select Warm and Set Temperature and then press Start. press Cancel to shut off oven. To use cook time, select Warm Proof. Then press Cook Time and enter the cooking time in hours and minutes, and press Start. Remember that the cook timer will only start once the unit has reached its temperature. The proof mode provides a warm temperature specifically designed to create an ideal environment for yeast to rise. Temperature can be set from 80 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Press and hold warm/proof for 3 seconds to activate proof. Then press Start to accept the default. Cook time is also available in this mode. Convection Bake adds the use of the convection fan to circulate heated air. Press Convection Bake and press Start to accept the default settings of 2 hours. Reminder that if the furnace core is lower than 170 degrees Fahrenheit, LO is displayed. Once it rises above 170, the actual temp will be displayed. To set a temperature and cook time, press Convection Bake, then set the temperature and press Start. To add a cooking time, press Cook Time and enter the cooking time and press Start. Remember that the cook timer will only start once the unit has reached its temperature. To cancel a cook timer, press Cook Time. Conv Broil adds the use of a fan to circulate heated air created by the top element. Press Conv Broil and to accept all the defaults, press Start. Refer to the Conv Bake for setting timer and temperature. Conv Roast uses the top and bottom heating elements, as well as the fan to circulate the air. Press Conv Roast. You can press Start to accept the default settings of 2 hours or enter the desired temperature. You may also enter the cook timer by pressing Cook Time and enter the time. Remember that the cook timer will only start once the unit has reached its temperature. The delay start will only turn on the oven at a specific time you set it at. First, select your cooking mode and the temperature if needed, then press Delay Start. From the current time that is displaying as 1:49, simply enter the time you wish to start. In this example, it's 2:30, then press Start. From 1:49 to 2:30 is about 40 minutes. The oven will operate. For crispy fries, wings, and vegetables, use the air fry mode. Like an oven, there is a heating element, but with an air fryer that element is combined with an impressively powerful fan that transmits hot air throughout the basket in order to cook the food at around 420 degrees. Press Air Fry. The default is 420 degrees for 22 minutes. To change the default time, press Cook Time, enter the time and press Enter. This oven is equipped with some presets for meats, baked good and others that run in convection modes with a default temperature of 350 degrees. The self-cleaning cycle uses very high temperatures, burning soil to a powdery ash. Warning that the fumes emitted may be harmful to some birds. Press Self-Clean to select your mode and then press Start. There will be a slight delay, and the door will lock. To cancel a self-clean, hold the Cancel button for a few seconds. To lock the oven control, press and hold the Start button for 3 seconds. To unlock, press Start and hold for 3 seconds. Only suitable pans are allowed on induction ranges. If a magnet can stick to your pans, then it can be used for induction cooking. Place the pan on the range and use the knob to select power level. To activate the boost function, turn the knob to P. Other indicators are H for hot surface warning. U for burner is activate, but not in use. There are 4 cooking zones ranging from 1500 to 3000 watts.